Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight bulb on 2010 Lexus ES 350, updated. Begin by parking safely, opening the hood, and locating the headlight housing behind the bumper. Remove any plastic covers or fasteners with care and lay parts on a clean surface. Keep track of screws and clips and inspect the wiring for damage before installing the new bulb to ensure a smooth, safe swap. Start by turning the socket counterclockwise and pulling the connector straight back to free it from the bulb. Carefully undo the retaining clip or ring that holds the bulb in place, supporting the assembly to avoid dropping screws. Gently remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out, noting its orientation so the new bulb installs the same way. Set the old bulb aside and inspect the socket for corrosion or loose wiring. Handle the replacement bulb by the plastic base or wear gloves because oils on skin can shorten bulb life. Align the bulb with the housing tabs, push it in gently, and secure the retaining clip or ring so it seats properly. Reattach the electrical connector until it clicks, then turn on the headlights to confirm correct function and beam alignment. Finally, replace any covers or fasteners and close the hood after confirming proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.